Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If this is the first time you're here, I'm Tara, a family nurse practitioner that loves sharing easy to make recipes that are not only super delicious, but also healthy. For the past few weeks, we've been making better than takeout Instant Pot recipes you guys have absolutely loved. We made a chicken and broccoli, a sweet and sour chicken, and a beef and peppers. If you missed any of those episodes, I will link them in the description box below so you can check them out after this video. Many of you have requested honey garlic chicken. This is one of my all-time favorite dishes to order when I pick something up from the takeout restaurant. What are some of your favorite dishes that you pick up if you're bringing something home from a takeout restaurant? I would love to know in the comments below. This recipe makes enough for 2 servings. If you're feeding a larger family or simply want more for meal prep throughout the week, you can double or triple the recipe. The time stays the same. If you're excited for delicious Instant Pot recipes, give this video a big thumbs up, grab your Instant Pot, and let's make this delicious honey garlic chicken. I'm starting this off with a delicious dry red, naturally. Then we're gonna grab our Instant Pot, set it to saute on high, add in some avocado oil. Accidentally, I forgot to press start for record to show me putting in the minced garlic, but make sure you add it in. Then we're gonna add in our chopped up chicken thighs. I'm using chicken thighs. You can use chicken breasts if you prefer. Add it on in there. And I'm just kind of mixing everything together. And now we're gonna add in our dried spices. Very simple: pink salt, white pepper, and garlic powder. I love recipes like this that are so quick and easy to make, especially on a busy work week. Now we're gonna add in our rice vinegar and some Shawshank cooking wine. I highly recommend using both of these ingredients. It is gonna give the absolute best flavor and add a sweetness to the dish so you won't have to add as much honey later on. Then we're gonna add in our trivet. Of course, I've deglazed the bottom of the pot. Don't skip that step. Add in your rice and water. Remember, it's a 1-to-1 ratio. Everything is gonna be listed out in the description box below, as well as on that recipe card at the end. Cook it for 5 minutes on high, allow 10 minutes of natural pressure, open it up. Then very carefully remove that bowl. Remember, this is very, very hot. Get that trivet out of there, and now a great hack, I've showed this before, drain out the liquid, but please reserve it. It is so delicious. Then we're gonna add in our honey. I'm using this honey I got from Thrive Market. I really like it. Use any kind that you like. And I'm also adding in the other tablespoon of minced garlic. Setting the Instant Pot to saute on high. Look at this delicious rice. I love showing this. It makes the best rice. I'm also adding in a tablespoon of that reserved liquid. Guys, use more of this liquid if you like. It is so delicious. I cannot wait for you guys to try this recipe. If you enjoyed today's easy Instant Pot recipe, give this video a big thumbs up. That way I'll know to make more recipes like it. I put together a playlist of some of my favorite Better Than Takeout Instant Pot recipes. I'm gonna leave right here on the screen if you'd like to check those out. YouTube is gonna leave a video they think you'll like right here on the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week as we continue our Better Than Takeout series. Bye guys.